The First Amendment Clinic was started as kind of a movement nationwide to get more lawyers trained in this area, to say that we need more First Amendment attorneys because it's just getting harder and harder to fight for your First Amendment rights without people who really know the law. So we're teaching students to be the next generation of First Amendment lawyer. Part of it is media law, where the news media needs a lot of help to be able to continue to broadcast truthful stories. But part of it is just the normal man on the street who maybe mouths off at a government official and just states their opinion and gets punished for it. And so they need a defense as well. So we get immersed in those cases. We jump right in, and our students actually go to court on behalf of a lot of people like this. You dive right in, and I think it's a great experience for students, and I think it has a real impact on the community because we have represented some people who felt wronged by the way the government came after them and just felt they had no recourse until they found out about us. So I think we really do have a meaningful impact on the community.